Hey guys, look, it's in a Segway. It's the 10-inch, or it's the biggest one you can get, apart from the actual Segways. Yeah, it's Bluetooth. I don't think you can see the speaker. Yeah. Those holes in the speaker. And then you can turn it on. That's the charger port, and that's where you turn it on. And then yeah, I have a key up there, and I have a bag which is in my wardrobe. So this is the 10-inch. I'm gonna ride it. It's Bluetooth, so yeah.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
That's my 300 quid scooter. Come on, right. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, I'm gonna get around in a minute, and then I'm just playing Forza Motorsport 6. So I'm going to the room tour on the Segway. So blanket, Overwatch up there, posters on there, guns on up, nails, my laptop, my tie, my phone. Then this is just there's a bunch of bullcrap, my other one. Yeah. And yeah. And then there's my advent calendar. And then that's my old school. Then my helmet's up there. And my Xbox One is there. Well, not in there, but the box. So yeah, not much really. Nothing, yeah, a big change, because my first video I did, I had none of these posters, like, just blank, so yeah. And I've hung the TV up. It used to be over here. My desk used to be, like, swiveled around, which I might go back to because I like it. I prefer it, so yeah. Might do it today, I don't know. See if I'm in the mood or not. So yeah, that's basically it. And I got a sign up there saying right. Made it myself. From the curtain things where like you pull them back. And I just nailed them to the door. So yeah, that's it really. So look, and my key. Look, it's got a horn. That's the horn. Off button, on button. Don't know what this does. So yeah, that's it basically. So yeah, I'm gonna go. And that's it for today. Peace.